This side is the flexors, like this. Okay? These two are the two heads of the biceps brachii. This is the long head that looks short, and this is the short head that looks long. Okay. Now, under these two, there's a muscle called the brachialis. It shows here, and it comes out next to it, next to the biceps brachii. Okay, that's the brachialis. Now, when you go up to the flexor side of the forearm, you have the middle one is the palmaris longus. That sends tendons to the palm of the hands, which you can't see me doing. And then on the radius side is the flexor carpi radialis. That's this one. On the side of the thumb, which is where the radius is. And then on this side, there's the flexor carpi ulnaris. It's got two heads, but you don't have to know that. So it's just the flexor carpi ulnaris. Now, under the palmaris longus, this part right here, that's called the flexor digitorum superficialis. And it's under the palmaris longus, which is in the middle. Okay. Now, over here, that's the pronator teres muscle. It crosses the antecubital fossa. Okay? Those are the flexors. Now, the extensors are on the other side of the hand. The arm, I mean. This, and it goes down here. These are the three heads of the triceps brachii. This is the medial head. The smallest one is the medial. And right above that, if you were to flip it over, that's the long head. And then on the other side is the lateral head. Those are the three heads. Now, this is the elbow. Right under or below the elbow is the anconeus muscle. Now, going up, this is from the other side. This is the flexor carpi ulnaris from the other side. Now we go to the extensor side. Right on this side, on the side of the radius, which the thumb landmarks, the biggest one is the brachioradialis, right here. Now, there's two more muscles next to it. Brachioradialis is the biggest. Then the one directly next to it is the extensor carpi radialis longus, and then the one on the end is the extensor carpi radialis brevis. Okay? Now, on this side, well, next to those, the one that goes to the middle is the extensor digitorum. That sends tendons to the top of the hand, or the back of the hand, whatever, the part that's not the palm. Then, on this side, there's the extensor carpi ulnaris. That's this one. This is the extensor digitorum, and this is the extensor carpi ulnaris. And then from the other side, there's the flexor carpi ulnaris. Don't get them mixed up. Now, there's two muscles that control the thumb, or the pullus. The bigger one is the abductor pollicis longus, and the smaller one is the extensor pollicis brevis. Those are the two that control the thumb. That's all, folks.
You're not part of our group.